Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI YouTube Channel Maker to build an automated YouTube channel, there's something you need to know first. Because right now, thousands of people are trying to grow YouTube channels using AI tools, but most of them struggle because creating videos still requires scripting, editing, thumbnails, SEO, and constant uploading. And that quickly becomes overwhelming. So the big question is AI YouTube Channel Maker actually a shortcut to building automated YouTube channels? Or just another AI tool making big promises? In this honest AI YouTube Channel Maker review, I'll show you exactly what it is, how it works, the main benefits, and how you can get my exclusive bonus bundle free if you decide it's right for you. Let's dive in. If you've ever wanted to start a faceless YouTube channel, build passive income from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, or automated content, but didn't want to record videos, edit footage, or spend hours creating content, this video will definitely help you. Today we're reviewing AI YouTube Channel Maker, a cloud-based AI platform designed to automate the entire YouTube channel creation process. What is AI YouTube Channel Maker? AI YouTube Channel Maker is an AI-powered automation platform that helps you create, publish, and grow YouTube videos automatically. Instead of manually researching ideas, writing scripts, recording voiceovers, editing videos, and uploading content, this system uses an AI agent engine that can handle most of the process for you. Inside the platform, the AI can research trending topics, write high-retention scripts, create complete videos, automatically edit them, and even publish them directly to your YouTube channel. So essentially, it works like a 24/7 AI assistant that helps run your YouTube channel automatically. Benefits. Why people are interested in AI YouTube Channel Maker. Let's talk about why many beginners and marketers are excited about tools like this. Automated video creation. Instead of spending hours editing videos, the software can generate full videos including visuals, voiceovers, captions, and music. No camera required, no editing skills required. AI viral topic research. One of the hardest parts of YouTube is finding ideas that people actually search for. The built-in AI scans YouTube trends and competitor channels to find viral topics automatically. SEO and AMP, ranking optimization. The software also generates optimized titles, tags, and descriptions to help your videos get discovered faster on YouTube, which is extremely important if you want traffic and views. Direct auto publishing. Another powerful feature is that you can connect your YouTube channel and allow the AI to automatically schedule and publish videos for you. That means your channel can keep uploading content even when you're offline. Multiple channel opportunities. With the same dashboard, you can create and manage multiple YouTube channels across different niches, which means you could potentially build several income streams over time. Inside AI YouTube Channel Maker, what you get. Inside the dashboard, you'll find several tools designed to simplify YouTube automation. These typically include AI Viral Topic Research Engine, High Retention Script Generator, One-Click AI Video Creator, Automatic Video Editing System, YouTube SEO Optimizer, Auto Publishing and Scheduling Tools, and Multi-Channel Management features. So instead of using 5 or 6 different tools, everything runs from one single dashboard. Results. What should you expect? Now let's be realistic for a second. No software can guarantee instant YouTube success. But tools like AI YouTube Channel Maker can dramatically reduce the time required to create and publish content. And on YouTube, consistency and volume often matter more than perfection. So if the AI helps you publish videos faster and more consistently, that can increase your chances of growing a channel. Now, if you decide to pick up AI YouTube Channel Maker through my link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus bundle free. These bonuses are designed to help you grow your channel faster. Bonus 1. AI YouTube Traffic Blueprint. Learn how to find profitable YouTube niches, viral video ideas, and hidden traffic opportunities using simple strategies beginners can follow. Bonus 2. Faceless Channel Monetization Guide. This training shows you how to monetize YouTube channels using affiliate marketing, digital products, and automated income streams. Is AI YouTube Channel Maker worth it? If you want a simple way to build faceless YouTube channels using AI without recording videos or editing content, AI YouTube Channel Maker could be a helpful tool, especially for beginners who want to automate content creation and experiment with YouTube automation. And when you combine the software with my exclusive bonus bundle, it becomes even more valuable. If you want to check it out and claim the bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Grab AI YouTube Channel Maker, unlock the bonus bundle, and start building your automated YouTube channel today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.